while the case is already in court, the fiscal cannot impose his opinion on the trial court. The court is the best and sole judge on what to do with the case before it. The determination of the case is within the court's exclusive jurisdiction and competence. So, kahit na gusto ng fiscal na i-withdraw yung information, but since yung information nasa korte na, ang korte lang ang pwedeng makapagsabi kung dapat bang ipagpatuloy ang kaso o hindi. Kasi yung korte, meron siyang sariling determination kung may basihan ba na ipagpatuloy yung kaso. Walang magagawa ang fiscal dun.